Yo, yo, yo. What's the dealio, y'all? What's the dealio, man? How y'all feeling? How y'all feeling? Hey, y'all already know, man. I got a straight banger for you today, all right? Where we at, y'all? Hey, if y'all watching this, man, be sure to like this video, all right? Like this video, subscribe to the YouTube channel, man. All right? Talk to me, talk to me. Who we got up in the chat, man? Who we got up in the live right now, man? What we got? Hey, Tim, what's up, Tim? We got Wise in the building. Excuse me. We got I Am Back, EMD Music. KP, what up? She said I'm early. Yeah, usually be late, KP. Dirty Jers, what's up, Bavik? How you feeling? If you are not born in a rich family will be born in you. There we go. That's right, Wise. What up, Henry? How you feeling? How you feeling? What up, though? 6 Mile. Hey, 6 Mile. 6 Mile, where you been at? Where you been at? I ain't seen your name in a minute. What's up, Jason? Looks like boss is running late. Nah, we right here. What up, Maddie? Newbie Maddie. What's up, James R? How you feeling? What the do, sir? What's up, Ant? How you feeling? We got that 10:30. Leela, shout out to Leela. How you feeling, Leela? You all right? Martell, what up? What up, what up? Starting early, I see, waiting for a great live tonight. You already know, KP, we about to get it popping. All right, QTZ in the building. Hey, man, if you guys are watching this and you have not, be sure to like this video as you guys come on up in here, okay? As y'all come up in here, be sure to get these likes up. All right, we about to go over levels, okay? We about to go over everything. He said in IWM we trust. Hey, I'm telling y'all, what happened? What happened today? IWM, look, we're going to go over IWM. You guys are going to be like, wow, this is crazy, okay? Watch this. All right. Dougie Fresh. What up, Dougie Fresh? How you feeling? Emails. What's up? I leave the hospital tomorrow. Hey, shout out to leaving the hospital. What else we got? Doc in the building. Aries Moon, what up? How you feeling? Option Strike Force, what's up? Chandra, how you feeling, Chandra? Genesis in the building. Yo, Ash, what up? How you feeling? What up, Elijah? What up, Cali Chick? She said I'm doing good. Wasn't the best trading day for me, but also not my worst. Hey, that's all you can ask for. If it wasn't your worst, hey, you good. All right. HQ Home said you called it. Yeah, we're going to talk all about it. Tabitha Lewis. What's up, Tabitha? 6 Mile said, I'm back. Let's get it. Let's get it, bro. What up, Cyrus? How you doing? What up, Keisha? Shout out to Keisha. All right, Quinn said I need my levels. Hey, let's go. All right, who ready for the levels? Who ready? Who need them levels? Who need the IWM levels? Who need them, man? What's up? Numar. How you feeling, Numar? What up, S. Dot? Mr. Omar, how you feeling? She said, feeling fantastic. Beautiful day, no complaints. How you feeling? I am not going to lie to y'all. I am sleepy, okay? I didn't want to come on live, but I said I'm about to go on live and I'm going to get some sleep, okay? So y'all know that Gunna song? My anthem right now is, who getting sleep tonight? Who getting sleep tonight? I'm getting sleep tonight. You know what I'm saying? Listen, who getting sleep tonight? Me. I've been going to bed real late lately, so I need to get some sleep. All right? Listen, what's up, Liz? What's up, Mimi? Itching like a crackhead, Johnny? I know, right? Yeah. Went through some changes over the last month, but I'm straight now. Hey, good, 6 Mile. Hey, I hope all is well. All right, real talk. I know, hey, life is full of changes. You got to embrace them. You know what I'm saying? So, who else we got? Got my Sprite juice ready? Come on. Come on. What's up, Jessica? What up, Turnpike? What's up, Casey? How you feeling? What up, Wayne? Hey. She said, it ain't like you sleep anyway. Hey. Hey, listen. I be sleeping. I be trying. But, man, I'm always worried about trying to help y'all, change y'all life. That's what I be worried about. You know what I mean? That's what I be thinking about. I be thinking about all of y'all. You know what I'm saying? What's up, Moni? She said, me too. I just took some NyQuil, about to mark up my chart and close my eyes. Hey, next time, just take some melatonin. You don't need no NyQuil unless you're sick, right? Who said it in Discord? The prosperity continues. Exactly. The prosperity continues, man. The profits continue. All right? Freddie Frames, what up? What up, Andres? How is that? No pink hat today? What's good with that? Hey, listen. I had the pink hat on because I took out my braids, right? And I had a ponytail. And so I didn't feel like trying to make my ponytail perfect. You know what I'm saying? But I just got my hair braided, obviously, right? Obviously, so I don't need a hat right now. I should have wore a hat though, because tomorrow I get a haircut. But yeah. What up, Ty Snee? Said been cooking all month, out of market by 7 a.m. There we go, Andres. You got to post in profits though, bro. Post the profits, dog. Come on now. All right. What's up, Natalie? I'm sick. I believe it's the flu. Oh, okay. Okay. Hey, I hope you feel better tomorrow, Casey. I know how it go. All right. Appreciate the consistency. It's rare coming past one if them ones got to cherish it. Nah, that's real. That's real, Cyrus. What up, committed girl? Clint, appreciate that, Aries. You was really looking like Sensei Fowler. Hey, don't make me go walk over and get the hat. You know what I'm saying? But also, when you get your hair done, you don't want to just put something right on top of it, because, you know what I'm saying? What's the point of getting your hair done if you're gonna cover it right up? So, you gotta let the hair breathe a little bit. But yeah, I'm gonna get back to that. Just been closing all the apps right away. I'm back on the game. I feel you, man. All right, y'all. DC back in the building. What's up, Trent by Buildings? All right. So, hey, let's get it cracking, y'all. All right. Listen, I'm sleepy. So because I'm sleepy, I need y'all to bring the energy, okay? I need y'all to bring the energy. I need y'all to be engaged, okay? So if you are watching this, do me a favor and like this video. All right, let's get this video to 250 likes. All right, do me that solid favor. Let's get this video to 250 likes, y'all. Okay, and also please subscribe to this YouTube channel. Okay, subscribe to the YouTube channel. I'm showing up for all of y'all every single day, giving y'all the levels that y'all be fiending for, so that y'all can make money. All right? So that y'all can make money. All right? So, he said you be killing it with the pink hat. Look, hey, listen, man. Hold on. You know what I'm saying? Come on now, let's go. Let's go. Let's get it. We ain't playing. Let's get it, man. Pink hat shorty. You know what I'm saying? Let's get it. Like, let me share this out. Yeah. Yeah, let's go, man. All right. Look. We back on the pink hat, man. All right, this is gonna be we rocking with the pink hat. All right. So, yeah, y'all funny. All right. So listen. Hey, look, y'all, you already know. Look, IWM juice call, man. Who got that IWM juice? Who got the IWM juice? Let's go. Let's go. All right. Hey. Hey, this is the IWM hat from here on out. This is the IWM hat. Now on every live, I gotta wear the IWM hat. We got the IWM juice. All right. Listen, the IWM hat. All right. Hey, y'all are funny. You know what I'm saying? Listen, IWM hat. Okay? So like I said, I'm sleepy, right? I was falling asleep when I was getting my hair braided. All right? She kept jerking my head like, wake up. All right? So I need y'all to make sure we make this live lit. Promise me that we're going to make this live lit. All right? I need y'all energy tonight. Okay? I don't want to come on here showing up with the wrong energy. So I'm going to be feeding off of y'all energy. This is how we do it. All right? When my energy low, right? I need y'all to help me lift it up. And when y'all energy low, y'all know I'm coming with it to lift y'all energy up. All right? So this is a symbiotic relationship. Okay? So don't spell my name wrong today or we're going to have a problem. All right? So, hey, Mimi, it's hardwood floors up in here. And you know what I'm saying? It's hardwood floors. All right? Don't nobody spell his name wrong or ask while call out. Hey, Ash know. Ash know what it is. You know what I'm saying? So look. It's coming real soon, Kiara. It's coming real soon. All right? It's coming real soon. All right? At this point, I'm convinced he owns IWM. He's a secret founder. Hey, listen. I jumped off the live till I put the hat on. What up, Alchemist? All right? Look, let's go. All right? Now, don't trip if you're looking sleepy. I'll make the chat laugh. 94 people watching. Let's go, man. All right, y'all. So check this out, right? Check this out. This is what we got. All right? We're going to get to business. We're going to have fun tonight, all right? I promise y'all, we're going to have fun tonight. The reason why I know we're going to have fun tonight, y'all made me get up and put on the IWM hat, all right? Y'all told me I can't do no more lives without the hat on, right? Y'all been making way too much money with me having this hat on, right? So what we gonna do? We got the IWM juice, we got the IWM hat, all right? So, what up, Adam? How you feeling? All right, we here. All right? So look, what up, Nissan? Hey, Nissan, you new to the group. Did you hit IWM? Like, what's up? Talk to me. Talk to your boy. All right, let's go. What happened, y'all? Ooh, okay. Ooh, I see what's going on. All right, so watch this, y'all, right? All right. All right, here we go. Y'all ready? Y'all ready to cook? Hey, man, if y'all ready to cook on this live, go put the chef emoji in the comments. Or go put like the skillet emoji in the comments. If y'all ready to cook and have some fun, go put the chef or the skillet emoji in the comments. All right? Hey, she said, we going up tonight. We going up tonight. We going up tonight. Come on. Come on, y'all. Yeah. Let's go. Let's go. Let's get it. Come on. Come on. We got the chef emoji. We got the skillet emoji. Are we about to cook or what? Let's go. Let's go. He said first time closing green over a week. There we go. Let's go, Nissan. All right, y'all. Hey, listen. Let's cook. All right? So check it out. Check it out. All right? Now, this is what happened. Let's do this recap real quick. I need y'all to see this in real time. All right. I need y'all to see this right here in real time. All right. Watch this. Okay. This morning. All right. This morning. And don't forget, y'all, nothing that I say in this video is financial advice. If you guys want financial advice, be sure to talk to a licensed financial advisor. All right. Now, this is what I said. I need y'all energy. I need y'all to engage in this live, okay? If you know anybody in the stock market, I don't care if they're in another group or not, share this live with them, okay? Share this live with them, okay? Make sure you share this live with them. Hey, I know you in that other group that don't be getting 300% every day. Go watch this live right here, okay? Go save them, all right? Go save them because we about to cook right now. All right, be sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, share this with somebody, even if they in another group. All right? Because you know other people going to look over the fence and see what's going on at that party over there. We about to have a party. All right, we about to have a party. Okay? Caesar, yeah. Hey, nah, for real though, Caesar. Bernie Mac at the train station. Wow. Let's go, Natalie. All right. All right, y'all. Let's get it, man. Let's cook. All right. Let's go. Here we go. All right, this morning, right? This morning. Right? This morning, what happened? What'd I say? I said IWM game plan. We are already below yesterday's lows, which means we open up on a 2 down on a daily, which would make us a 2-2 bearish reversal, right? But we are at a support level on a 30-minute time frame, okay? If we break below 251, right, we could be coming down to 249.11, right? Excuse me. Okay. If we break below 251, we could be coming down to 249.11, right? Now watch this. If we can't break below this, we will bounce at support and we can go up and retest resistance of the current range. Pay attention to what I'm saying. We have sellers sitting between 253.48 and 255. So if we do pop up, look for a potential rejection in that area. Let's eat today. And then I posted the photos that I do every day of the 30-minute and the 2-hour. Look, I gave everybody the range, right? Look at the range right here. Okay? This was in pre-market. I gave everybody the range. All right? I gave all y'all the range. This range right here. Okay? Now watch. Look, puts below 251. Boom, rejection area, resistance, right? Watch this. So what ended up happening? What ended up happening, y'all? Let's go to the charts. Oh my good. Look at this. Look at this right here, y'all. Look at this. The levels that I mapped out, look at it. All it did was go down to where I said support was and up to where I said resistance was at. That's all I did. It did. That's all it did. I told you guys exactly what the range was. I told you guys exactly what the range was. This morning in the Discord, I told you guys exactly what the levels were. Okay? And what did I say? Watch this. If we break below 251, we can be coming down to 249, right? Right here. Now look at IWM. After hours, they broke below 251. Where they at? Where they come down to? 249. $2.49. Come on, y'all. Come on. This is the move that I thought it was going to make during the day. But what we did was we came up here, right? If you go to the 15-minute time frame, look at this. These yellow lines were the lines that were in the photo that I posted this morning. I posted this morning in pre-market, and all the stock did was bounce between the levels that I already outlined before the market opened up. Before the market opened up, y'all. Enter in the calls here and write it up. Enter in puts here and write it down. All you got to do. Follow my levels. Change your life. Follow my levels. Change your life. If we get below 251, we coming down to 249. We came down where? 248.46. What are we talking about? What are we really what else is there to talk about at this point? He said, I'll be behind the curtain pulling IWM in direction. Hey, listen. Come on, y'all. What are we talking about here? What up, John McKinney? She said, I can see clearly now. Let's go, KP. I'm on a mission to help y'all make money with IWM at this point. I'm on a mission. All right? I am on a mission. What up, Pete Bryant? I was taught not to trade in the box, so I was confused. Not anymore. You're not confused because you're in the right place, KP. That's why. What's up, Ikiche? So listen. So now I told you guys, right? Now I told you guys about, the range and the levels. So watch this, right? Watch this. Okay, watch this. Because we're not done. I just turned the stove on and the oven on. We ain't even put the food in the skillet yet. We ain't even really started cooking yet. Okay? So, watch this. Okay? Y'all ready for this? Watch. So now what happens? What up, Best Beezy? So now what happens? Watch this. So now what's the result of giving everybody the range in pre-market? Okay. Look at this. IWM play. Gave the levels, right? I ain't even got to call a trade out because everybody in Discord is learning how to trade. Nobody is depending on me. Nobody's dependent on Marcel. That's how we get down. Because we don't gatekeep, right? Watch this. Excuse me. 87%. WAP. Busy day Google calls. 100% whappers. TCOM. 23% whappers. Look at this. Small account. I day trade IWM and some light weekly swings. Ever since I locked in on the Strat and IWM, my account is up 255 in the last month. Account is up 255% in the last month. Whappers, $2,500. $1,000 to $3,500. Stop playing, man. That's a whack. What we got? Jay Skrilla, 5%, 27%, 9%. Let's go. Let's go. What we got? 42%, 11%, 32%, 46%. Let's go. It's not a game. 40%. $900. Come on. 21% on Google. 20% on Google. Let's go. 150% on SoFi. 50% on IWM. Miss Reese, second day in the Discord. Let's see what she did. Ooh, 37% on IWM. 11% on IWM. 22% on IWM. Come on now. What we got? IWM costs 29%. 30%. What we got? 27 on Amazon. What we got? Smacked IWM. $754. Account is up 15%. He was up more, but he gave some money back. But still, good money. Let's work on the discipline. Curtis, $350 on Oracle. $300 on CCJ. That's $600. Michelle, 45% on Google. What we got? Come on. Come on, Ash. 118% on Amazon off of 212. Come on. 23% on QQQ. What we got? Jamila. 10 bands. Let's go, Jamila. Whew. Let's go. 33%. She said that wasn't a fluke. 33% on SPY. She said, I'm not done yet. 800 on Tezzy. Come on now. What we got? Ty Snee. 30%, 32%. Come on. We already went with Optimal. Who we got? Swift. 69%. What we got? First loss. 17%, 55%, 14%. Let's go. First trade, one trade and done. 80% IWM. Almost a 600. Come on. 0 data expirations. Excuse me. Come on. 37%. Let's go. Let's go. 58%. 55. 215 on a day. Come on, y'all. What we doing? 252 on a day. Come on, what she say? Run, baby, run. I got this Strat on your back. I'm done for the morning. Over $300 this morning. Come on. Come on, 22% on IWM. Let's go. What we got? What we got? 57% on QQQ. What we got? 65%. IWM. Account up 10%. We got Ronald, 219 on IWM. IWM put 17%. Look at this, 57%. Come on. Look, 130% on Oracle. Ugh. Say it with me. Ugh. Ugh. Come on now. Listen. Listen, y'all. Look, she said, you about to make me, what she say? Y'all gonna make me leave EMAs. Man, you better leave them EMAs alone. I'm telling you, you better leave them EMAs alone, yo. All right? Now I'm on Twitter, but I'm not really on it. I don't really post. I just focus on YouTube. Right? I have an Instagram, but I'm about to start posting on Instagram soon, but I'm not on there like that. So listen, 880 on Tesla. It's people that ain't even posted in the profits. You get what I'm saying? So every single day, man, right? Every single day we get into it. Okay? Listen, 6 Mile, let's go. And it's only Wednesday. It's only Wednesday, y'all. All right? So look, I gave everybody the levels. Right? This morning in pre-market. I've been doing it all week. I've been showing y'all 100, 200, 300% gains. Somebody got 1,000% gains yesterday, right? And I showed that to y'all. Every day I'm showing you guys 100+% gains on these stocks and on these trades, right? Every single day, the Strat method is undefeated. All right? So if you want to, listen, if EMAs ain't treating you right, I'm telling you it's a better way. All right, we got Rich OG in the building, right? We got Webb in the building. He ain't even posted his profits. I know he went crazy today. What's up, Top Killer? Right? So listen, and look, if you work in the Prosperity Collective and then you left, listen, I kind of feel sorry for you because we keep getting better, right? See, here's what happened. Some people left, they was like, whatever. But see, when you stay down with the right people, you only gonna keep elevating. You know what I'm saying? You only gonna keep elevating. I'm telling you, right? Some people left before I started giving all the strat game, right? Some people left before that. Now what's going on? Now what's going on? We out here cracking 100, 200, 300%. Like it's nothing. Somebody who's in the Discord sent me a screenshot today. 600% on IWM turning $100 into $700. Come on now. Why you say leave the EMAs alone? Hey, listen. Why do I say leave the EMAs alone? Because they limit you. They limit you. It feels more like a gamble. Okay? Once you learn the Strat method, you're gonna get rid of your EMAs. And almost everybody that trades the Strat method will tell you. This is not me, right? This is so many people, right? The Strat method, in my opinion, it ain't nothing better. The Strat method turned me all the way up. All right? Straight up. And everybody in the Discord will tell you the same thing. I am not making this stuff up. Listen, there are so many people in this Discord that learned the Strat method and now is making 100, 200, 300% every single day, y'all. Every day. If you're using EMAs, do you know for a fact you could go pull out 100% almost every day in the market? You get what I'm saying? 100% trade every day this week got me feeling like, hey, you been that one, Ash. What you talking about? I be wishing they come back. I know, Alchemist. In due time. In due time. Bro, I've been watching for about a month now, and I'm loving what you're doing. I hope how you teaching us what they could have been teaching. Hey, Marcus, hey, I appreciate that. Y'all see, he said, you teaching us what they could have been teaching us. We all know what it is. You know what I'm saying? We all know what it is. One thing I'm not going to do is I'm not going to gatekeep from my people, right? Because I was in the trenches just like y'all was. Only difference is I said, man, let me go share this stuff rather than gatekeep it all to myself so that I could look like I'm the man, so that all these people could depend on me. I'm big on that. I don't want you to depend on me. I want to empower you to be able to know this stuff on your own, because I'm not scared if you go learn this and you go run it up. I'm not afraid of that. You know what I'm saying? I'm working for God. I'm not working for my own ego, right? Exactly. What is an EMA? Ashley said, I ain't never leaving. Y'all, hey, let's go. Let's keep building, man. Once you go strat, you never go back. Straight up. Right? So he said, let's see that 10 bands one time. What you mean? What you mean, Trent? I'm not leaving TPC. He used to be EMA Zay. Hey, that's all we knew. You know what I'm saying? Bro, I'm up big over the last couple months. I got my shit on lock. I know you do. You've been murdering the game. Money coming in, overflow like Jesus. Isiah, you don't miss 6 straight wins. I'm telling you, I am back. What's your strat? Base and break? No, the strat method. That's my strategy, the strat method. In fact, the strat helps you read candles better and learn exactly. Yeah, the strat is lethal. Strat gives you high probability setups. If you look at things from a probability standpoint, exactly. I think she was singing Drake. That's how you heard it. Oh, okay. Do you only trade on 30 minutes? 30 minutes, sometimes a 15, a 2 hour. It just depends on my setup. What up, Pam? How you feeling? Appreciate that backpack, Zoe. Right? What up, Wayne? 41% on IWM TPC for life. I appreciate you shopping. Nah, for sure, Marcus. I'm not too good to read comments and really, you know what I'm saying, see what y'all saying. All right? So look, I just wanted to show that, right? I just wanted to show that. Obviously, we're going to get to the levels, man, but hey, these lives is about building community, and it's about rocking with you guys. You get what I'm saying? So I like to make sure I'm engaging with y'all, and I'm breaking this stuff down in a very easy manner so that you guys can understand what's being said, right? This is my teaching style. My teaching style is to make this very simple and relatable so that it's easily digestible. That's why people are changing their life off of this YouTube channel alone, because the way that I'm delivering these messages, it just makes sense. I could make this make sense to anybody, right? I could sell you on your own self, right? So let's go, man. All right. So if y'all are new here, man, let me just say welcome to the rest of your life. All right. Let's not hate. Don't be a hater, right? Let's not bring no negativity, right? None of that. Let's just lock in and just take a second to listen to what I'm saying. You get what I mean? I can't say that enough. Just take a second to listen to what I'm saying, right? No ego over here, right? F been dropping, more and more coming. What time frame do you use? I use a 30-minute majority, mainly, Freddie. Sometimes a 15, sometimes a 30. I mean, the 2 hour, it really does just depend. Yeah, this is more important than just the charts overall life. Exactly, right? Exactly. What up, Barry? Hurry up the levels. I'm almost done with my Cheetos. I know, right, Mark Quinn? All right. So look. So here's the thing, right? I can give you guys levels in 3 minutes. Right? I can give you guys levels in 3 minutes. That's what y'all be missing sometimes, right? People that are newer, you be missing that. I can give you guys levels in 3 minutes. The reason why I take my time with these lives is because it's about delivering this message to you guys in a way that it makes sense. That's why I take my time when I explain it, when we go into it, right? When I'm breaking down the recaps. Because if I just tell you levels and every day I just tell you levels, you're going to be depending on me. But if I break down what I told you guys in the morning, right? And then what the stock did, right? And then the fact that people made money, right? If I told you that, you should be able to be like, oh, it's starting to click. You see what I'm saying? But if I just come on here for 30 minutes and I give you levels, that's not going to serve you. You going to know the levels, but you ain't going to know how to execute. You ain't going to know the thought process. Right? The thought process. I'm trying to help y'all with the thought process. Sometimes people be like, he's taking too long. See, you missing the whole point of Isiah. You missing the whole point of the things that I'm saying. And you also missing the whole point of, you could go back for the last year and 2 months, and I posted videos every day on top of what we're doing right now. So don't let any of this go over your head, right? Don't let any of this go over your head, okay? I know some of this stuff is unbelievable. I know some of y'all that's watching is like, nah, they not doing that. But every day, how do we post 100%, 200% profits? How? If this is all cap, how is 100, 200, 300, 400 people getting 100% gains in the market every single day? You know what I'm saying? How? Right? Mark Quinn is definitely a troll, for real. Right? So I'm definitely learning. Let's go, Aries. You trying to pour into us. Yeah. That's what I want to pour into you guys more than I want to teach you guys about trading, right? That's also why I take time, because I'm here to pour into you. I'm not here to teach you the stock market. I teach you the stock market through pouring into you. You see what I'm saying? Because the stock market is the easy part. But the self-belief, the confidence, the energy, the optimism, that's the hard part. So I'm helping you with intangibles about life that sometimes y'all don't even know I'm helping you with. The levels are the easy part. Yourself is the hard part. Your mindset is the hard part. That's what we really focus on. Okay? So he said, bro, I just joined the Discord. Let's cook. Let's go. Let's go, Trent. Let's go. All right. So get rid of that talk session. Shout out to TPC, literally taught me everything. Appreciate that, master. Them earlier videos are gems. Timely. I'm telling you, Pam, I'm up 1,000% in my hood account from last 3 months. Let's go. What's up, sunshine? All right. So look, y'all, we got SPY, right? What we got? SPY is on a 2-down candle. Okay, yesterday was on a failed 2 up. Look what they did after hours. Look what they did after hours, right? They all the way down here, 670, right? Now watch this. On the daily, on the daily, right? On the daily, what we got? We have no liquidity on the daily. Let's go to the weekly. So we could be coming down to 657. Okay, through 657. All right, let's go here. So this low is 662, right? So who remembers when I told you guys yesterday? Who remembers when I told you guys that SPY was gonna come down today or tomorrow? Who remembers that? Tell me if you remember that in the comments. Tell me y'all remember that. Please tell me you remember that, because I'm gonna show you guys something. I just want to make sure that you guys hear what I'm saying, right? Who remembers that? I told y'all SPY was gonna come down, right? It's crazy because I'll be on the lives for entertainment. If you don't give one level, I'm straight TPC. Hey, I appreciate that, QTZ. What Lauren Hill say? How you gonna win if you ain't right with exactly, Barry. Marcus, he said, how do I join the Discord? Newbie here on the channel, join Discord through WAP. Yes, on WAP. I'm gonna put the link in the comments. Right, I just put the link inside of the comments. If you guys want to join the Discord, click the link in the comment section. All right, y'all already know when you put the pink on, he turns Theo. Hey, hey, you funny, Mimi. Definitely Asar. All right. So, I do lives like this every day, Jason. Every day, every single day, right? So watch. All right, so watch. So look, I told y'all SPY was coming down, right? Now look at this. 30-minute. What do we have? Look at where it came right here. Look at where SPY came down to. 669, right? Why did it come down to 669? Because what do we have from 2 days ago? From 2 days ago, what do we have, y'all? We have an area of liquidity right here. We got an area of liquidity. These areas of liquidity have to get filled. Right? They have to get filled. So, what does that mean? That means that SPY is going to come and touch 666. Most likely. It's a high chance that SPY is going to touch 666 tomorrow or maybe Friday. Okay? There's a high likelihood. Okay? There's a high likelihood. Y'all see what I'm saying? So, now, watch this. First things first, first things first, we're going to say the low is 673.35, okay? First things first. So support is going to be 673.35. All right. So we're going to say puts below 673.35, right? All right. That's the low of the day. But SPY is already down here at 669. Okay? So what does that mean? That means that if we open below 673.35, then we're gonna most likely try to come up and retest right here. And then we could reject right here, and then we could come right back down to this other area of liquidity down here that's here on that 30-minute time frame. But let's go to the 2 hour. Okay? We got another area of liquidity right here. Right? So, 2 hour, boom. Let's go to the 1 hour. Right here, okay? So this is what we're gonna focus on. So tomorrow, we're gonna put a rejection area. Okay? A rejection area. We're gonna put it from 672.62. $675.42. All right. 672.62 to 675.42. So, depending on where we open up at, the SPY is going to come up between 672.62 and 675.42. If we cannot get above this area, we're going to reject and then we're going to come down, or we're going to reject and then consolidate, one or the other. If we start to come down off of a rejection in this area, we're going to come down and test the low of the previous low. And what that could mean is we could come down to this area of liquidity right here, or we could come down to this order block right here. Okay? That's what that means. So that's going to be the game plan on SPY. We're already down $4 in after hours. Okay? So if we come up, you want to pay attention to this rejection area right here. This is going to be your money maker. This is going to be your money maker. So if we're at 669 or 670 and you see us coming up, you know that we're going to come up between 672.62 and 675.42. So you could get in calls and write it up until here, take profits, and wait to see if we reject. If we reject, you enter in the puts, and then you write it right back down to where it just came from. Okay? But those is your levels. Let me know if that makes sense on SPY, y'all. Let me know if that makes sense on SPY, y'all. Please let me know in the chat, in the comments. Nissan, areas of liquidity are magnets and fair value gaps are support. No. Areas of liquidity, when I'm saying areas of liquidity, I'm referring to fair value gaps, right? And yes, they are magnets. Buyers and sellers, all right? What do I always say? Y'all saw Baby Boy, right? Melvin came out there, right? Came out there and he said, hey, you got it messed up. Y'all got it messed up, right? He said it's all about the what? The guns and the butter, baby, right? It's all about the buyers and the sellers, right? This is what trading is about. EMAs, support resistance, all of that stuff. Listen, focus on where the buyers are at and focus on where the sellers are at. That's all you got to learn how to focus on. Period. Right? So areas of liquidity are fair value gaps on larger time frames. This is how people in the Discord are catching 1, 2, 3, 4, 500% trades off of learning what I'm teaching about these fair value gaps and how to spot them, what tools we use, and how to enter off of these gaps. Okay? So, what up, Tycoon? What up, X marks the spot? Get you an Oli Pop. Hey, I used to mess with them a little bit. All right. Let's see. Might have to play with that tomorrow. So do I put in my plays in before? No. Marcus, no. You do not get in before the market opens. No. Okay. You wait. So this is the thing. You got to wait. You got to understand. You got to start learning what time frames to pay attention to. Now, this skill set, it takes time to develop, right? I'm looking at the 30-minute time frame often. I'm looking at the 2-hour time frame, the hourly, and the 15-minute, okay? So, I'm new to trading options. It's all good, Marcus. Feel free to ask questions. All right? Buyers fighting for their life. They are. I got my luck set up, so I'm working on it. Okay. Hey, if y'all are in the Discord and you have questions, please ask the questions inside of the Discord, right? We got almost 500 people, right, in the Discord now. People will answer questions. The community is growing, so please ask your questions inside of there as well, all right? What makes you pick 1 hour rejection levels over 2 hour? It just depends on what what fair value gaps I'm seeing, right? That's how I do it. Right? What's up, First Ballot? What's up, X marks the spot? Is it a certain delta to buy at? You could just get at the money if you're day trading. You could just get at the money to keep it simple. Don't worry about the deltas, right? Just at the money is fine. All right? Patience is a must. I add them to my watch list. All right. So that's SPY. Now, we got SPY. We about to go over IWM. All right? In celebration of IWM, how we've been murdering it this week, I want y'all to shake up y'all IWM juice, okay? If y'all are new to the whole squad, we got IWM juice, okay? If you want to murder it with IWM juice, you got to go get you some pure pomegranate juice, okay? The pomegranate juice with the antioxidants. Don't go to Kroger and get that high fructose corn syrup ocean spray, okay? We ain't doing natural flavors, okay? You got to get the $13 jar with the glass, okay? BPA free, all right? You're going to get you some pure pomegranate juice. Lakewood pomegranate juice is the official sponsor of the IWM Russell 2000 ETF that we trade every day, okay? And now what we're going to do is we're going to take our sip before we analyze IWM juice. This is our IWM communion, okay? This pomegranate juice represents the blood of all the trading accounts that have been obliterated by IWM getting liquidity, okay? Okay? All right? Trent said, will you be calling us out in the morning? Yes, absolutely. Absolutely, Trent. All right. What time frame do you use for fair value gaps? All of them. Okay. So, yeah, we don't do ocean spray. All right. Ocean spray got cockroach piss in it. All right. We don't do ocean spray. We don't do ocean spray. What else we don't do? Langers. We don't do langers. Right. That got cockroach juice in it too. All right. We don't do that. All right. Hey, it's funny, right? Johnny said $13. Dang. Well, watch this. If I see a juice, right, and it's $2, I'm saying damn too. Because I'm like, how do they make this juice so cheap? See what I'm saying? Life is all about perspective. You can always look at something more expensive and be like, damn, that's expensive. But you could also look at the things that's cheap and be like, why is it so cheap? Listen, y'all. It's about the perspective. All right? right, Mark Quinn. Natural flavors be everything but natural. You know what I'm saying? I joined IWM, get money called. Let's go, Chris Connor. All right, order some today from Amazon. There we go. All right. KP said, wait, huh? Hey, listen, y'all ain't know Ocean Spray had the cockroach piss in it, huh? Y'all been drinking roaches. Y'all over there drinking roaches. Come on now. Stop drinking them roaches, man. What y'all think? How y'all think they got a 47-ounce plastic bottle of juice that's only $1.99? They got to put a whole bunch of BS in it, right? It's like back in the 80s, right? You see all these drug movies. What they do with the pure cocaine? Start putting baking soda in it, baking powder to cut the product, to make it cheaper, to get more out there. That's when people start dying. It's the same thing with this Ocean Spray juice, right? They putting cockroach piss in your Ocean Spray juice, and they putting some natural flavors that they got from a lab, right? Synthetic strawberry flavoring, right? Because they know the compounds of what strawberry tastes like. And people over here talking about, ooh, this is some good strawberry juice. No, that is cockroach piss with strawberry natural flavoring from a laboratory. All right? So y'all be drinking some cockroach piss. All right? Stop drinking the roach juice. All right? You feel me? This is real life. All right? This is real life, y'all. This is real life, man. I'm going to only give it to y'all straight. No chaser. You feel me? I'm going to only give it to y'all real. Why be cheap with your health? Exactly. Why be cheap with your health? She said, I'm dead. Do you call out the plays during live? Yes, Trent. Yeah, we do. Kegels and roaches. The more you know. Hey, every day it's a new little piece you're going to get from me. Hey, look at Mimi talking about the best roach juice you had. Okay, Mimi. I bet you. So if I go saw some roaches and I go kill them and I go extract the juice out of them, would you drink that roach juice then? No. So why you going to talk about it's the best roach juice? You know why? Because they put a whole bunch of sugar in the juice, right? And then they put some fake flavoring, and now you talking about it's the best. You know what I'm saying? Nah, yo. Nope. They make the things that are healthy for you higher price to keep you. Exactly. Right? Exactly. You know what I'm saying? Chinese apple juice done turn this into a powder. Hey, yo, Sunny Delight was crazy work. I would ask the source, but I'm actually good. I'll take it word for word. Hey, I'm telling y'all. Listen. Talking about this is raspberry, strawberry kiwi. A pack of strawberries is $2 in and of itself. But I got a strawberry kiwi juice for $1.98. So I'm saying stay out of Kroger, man. Stay out of Kroger, man. Stay out of Kroger. Stay out of Food Max. Stay out of Food for Less. Right? Stay out of the middle of the grocery store. Okay? Go buy a juicer and just get your fruit and just juice the fruit. If you want strawberry kiwi juice, go buy you some strawberries and some kiwis, put it in a juicer, and go make you a strawberry kiwi juice. Stop believing that these people care about your health, because they don't. All right? Okay. So let's go over IWM. Mark Quinn said, wasn't nothing sunny about the delight. All right. For real. Hey, listen, I'm only being honest. I didn't look this stuff up. Y'all think see, this stuff sound funny, it sound crazy, but I'm being honest with you, right? I'm just laughing about it. All right? Where do you do your groceries? I'll be going to Sprouts, or you could go to a farmer's market, right? You get your vegetables, right? You get your fruits, and you cook. I don't have a lot of things in the cabinet. I don't have a lot of things in the pantry. You know, you go to some people's house, they got a whole pantry full of boxes and bags, chips, cookies, Hostess donuts, the chocolate covered donuts, the powdered donuts, the variety pack, the Pop-Tarts, right? The Hostess Ho-Hos, right? What else they got? The Zingers, right? The Little Debbie's oatmeal cream pies, right? You got all of that. And then you go in the refrigerator, you ain't got not one piece of fruit. Come on, y'all. Come on, y'all. Come on, y'all. Come on, y'all. Are you a Honey Drip member? What is Honey Drip? What is Honey Drip? I'm confused. Feel me? I'm confused. So, like I say, stay out of the middle of the grocery store, right? Stay out of the middle of the grocery store. Go to the outside, right? Go to the outside. Okay? Yeah, Publix is cool. Okay? Exactly, Mark Quinn. It don't make sense. It don't make sense. You know what I'm saying? Hey man, y'all need to join TPC. We the healthiest and the wealthiest trading community. I'm telling y'all. I'm telling y'all. Right? I'm telling y'all. All right. Hey, if people wanna troll me, I'm gonna troll them. Don't get me started, man. Listen. 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 You gotta hit him with the Marvin Sapp. Don't answer that question. That was somebody trying to bait you and being ignorant. Oh no, I know. This is what we gonna do. Bang, bang. There you go. There we go. So look, IWM, right? IWM, y'all. Okay? Look. So look. A area liquidity on a daily, right? And we reject it again. So all we've been doing is what? Rejecting. Excuse me. All we've been doing is rejecting. So we rejected yesterday and we rejected today. Right? Look at the 30-minute. Yesterday we rejected. Today we rejected. Right? Because on a daily, we got all these sellers. So, right? Watch this. We came down to 249 already. So what we gonna do? Lower day right here. So first thing we gonna say. Is gonna be 250.57. Okay. Puts below 250.57. Okay. Now, very similar. If we close below 250, if we open below 250.57 tomorrow, then expect us to come up to test 250.57, right? But let's go to the 2 hour. Okay. All right, so we have nothing there. To the 4 hour, nothing here. We got buyers in this area right here on the 4 hour, right? On the 4 hour, we got buyers sitting right here. Okay? So we're in a bullish order fair value gap right here. Let's go to the hourly. We got a fair value gap right here, right? So we're gonna say rejection area. $250.16 to $252.27. All right. Boom. So yes, we're on a fail two down, but we don't know what's gonna happen tomorrow. But we have a order block down here on the daily down to 247. So we could be coming down to 247. We could pop up, we could come up in this area, and then we could reject, and then we could come down lower. If we get above the high of this rejection area, that's when I would say, okay, you could start looking at calls, and then you could ride it back up to the high of yesterday because we are on a fail two down. But we got to wait, and we got to see what happens. Okay? We got to wait, and we got to see what happens. All right? Obviously, when we see pre-market, we're going to see what happens. Okay? I'll be able to better, see what's going on in the market. But that's what it's looking like on a daily time frame. So let me know if that makes sense in the comments, y'all. All right? Let me know if that makes sense in the comments. All right? That's him. We're coach. All right. Close them doors. I only function on fish, nuts, berries, olive oil. Tanvir, you be drinking olive oil? Nah, I'm playing. It's probably the drip himself leaking. Needed some antibiotics. You ain't gotta hide. Hey, nah, real talk, Moni. Real talk. Don't pay attention to comments ever mind. People, yeah, real talk. You blocked him. Yeah, we gotta keep the energy clean, you know what I'm saying? Listen, I'm gonna start coming on these lives with some Palo Santo, right? And some sage for real. Right? What Webb, he said, my brother, you're making noise and successful when haters come out. Yeah, nah, for sure. Yeah. But we just Heisman them, you know what I'm saying? Like we just every day, you know what I'm saying? We just ducking and dodging the hate. Because it's a couple people that hate me, but it's way more people that show love. So it's all good. You know what I mean? So makes sense. Good for your kidneys. Several teaspoons for sure. We just having fun. We troll. Exactly. If you want to troll, then I'm a troll. And honestly, I'm a pretty good troll. I just don't do it. But because I don't have the time. But listen, I could troll. I know a lot about a lot of people. You know what I'm saying? So I don't play the games. But if people want to take it there, we can. But you never gonna catch me on camera saying no wild stuff about nobody because I don't be talking about people. You know what I'm saying? I don't be having my name in nobody's mouth, none of that. I be in my little corner of the internet. I do what I do, and I help people make money. You know what I'm saying? So that's just how we get down over here. All right. So I never thought about trading IWM until I started watching your show, and I lost a great deal of money in the market very recently, and now I'm following you. IWM was able to turn $30 into 272. See what I'm saying? SF Cox, that's what I'm talking about, dog. That's how we get down. All right. Jason Williamson, he said, what's the Discord? The Discord, I just put the link in the comments. All right, tap in with the Discord. What else we got? What's up, Stu? How you feeling, dog? What up, Devonna? IWM 247. Yep, we gonna see what happens if it holds or not. Saudi Stu. Benson Productions, I think, is at 247 right now. I'm here for the block party. Hey, you already know. I done came into a war zone. Nah, Stu. Hey, it's all love over here. You know what I mean? We just ain't playing games. Nah, hey, straight up. People see these profits and they be like, nah, that's not real. But I show the profits every single day. So how can we be capping? How can we? I show everyday people every day doing this. Come on now. You know what I'm saying? Come on now. None of this is cap. None of it is cap. 20, 30%. Ah, that's cool. We get that on IWM in 30 seconds. You know what I'm saying? Oh, 12%? Oh, okay. No, that's what's up. That's what's up. We'll get 12%. We get in a trade off of a failed two down. Oh, okay. 12%. Oh, we got 45% in 4 minutes. You know what I'm saying? Real talk. Real talk. You know what I'm saying? So, yeah, PPI tomorrow. Okay, so we went over SPY. We went over IWM, right? After we go over SPY, after we go over IWM, what we about to do now, y'all? What we about to do now? Talk to me in the comments, y'all. What we about to do? Talk to me. Smoking Netflix on the downtrend. Yep. Yeah, that was a nice top that you caught. Maybe they need the will to get free membership. I don't even know if I'm going to do the will anymore, man. That was crazy last time. You think you know something about somebody the whole time and be real lies. Hey, you ain't lying, Vincent Productions. Hey, that's why I don't want to know about nobody. I don't want to know nothing about nobody because, man, that's why I try to just mind my business. Mind my business. All right. Yeah, I love zero data expirations, y'all. Exactly, K 2861. I'm not bait. I'm not taking the bait. You know what I'm saying? We don't take bait over here. We ain't gullible. Trent, 15 minutes before the market opens. So 9:15 Eastern, 6:15 Pacific. That's when we're gonna be live and we go trade for about an hour, maybe an hour and a half. Right? KP, I can't either. It's interrupting. Let's go, y'all. Let's go fishing. The funny thing is going to be when you see the talking about IWM or hey, I'm already seeing it, Web. I'm already starting to see it. It's all good though. Hey, nah, straight up, Alchemist. Straight up. What up, Paper Stacking? Hey, who watched today's Wisdom Wednesday, y'all? If you watched today's Wisdom Wednesday, let me know. Talk to me. If you watched today's Wisdom Wednesday, man, let me know, y'all. Please. Y'all watched it? Chris said it's turning into my nightly routine. And it's better than watching TV, I'm telling you. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. I got it on my watch later. Yeah. Hey, listen. Listen. I'm on my lunch break, but I still got to tap in. I watched it. Appreciate that paper stacking. I cried listening to Wisdom Wednesday. Marquin, you trolling, bro. Always every Wednesday. I appreciate that. I'm going to join tonight, start trading Sunday. There we go. Jason, let's go. I'm locked in. Let's go, Marcus. All right. I traded HIMS this morning. Yeah, you using a strat, 170%. Put the glizzy. Hey, listen. If y'all eat glizzies, y'all need to stop eating glizzies. Okay? If you don't know what a glizzy is, it is a hot dog. Okay? It's a whole bunch of, animal bones crunched in together in the form, and you thinking that it's real meat, and it's processed bone, processed animal bones, and it look like a glizzy. Okay? We call those hot dogs. Stop eating hot dogs. Okay? Stop eating the hot dogs. All right? Put the glizzies down. Put the sugar down. Okay? Whatever your vices is, if you cannot control what you put in your mouth, you need to do something. You need an intervention. All right? You need an intervention. If you can't go a day without food so that your digestive system could get a rest, you need an intervention. All right? Real talk. Put the glizzies down. All right? People just take the style without paying homage. Hey, George, it is what it is, dog. You know what I'm saying? Because listen, if I stop, they stop. You know why? Because here's the thing. When you following and copying somebody, here's the thing, right? This is life game right here. When you copying somebody from afar and you don't give them no type of credit, you are only going to be able to do what they do. But I'm already 9 steps ahead of the game. You get what I'm saying? And it's like, you could try to cook if I go try to cook some gumbo, right? Or some jambalaya, because I'm trying to copy a recipe from somebody in New Orleans. I could make it, but I don't have the family recipe. I don't have the family recipe. Right? I don't have the family recipe from that person who's from New Orleans. So you could try, you could see, right? You could watch I know people watch the videos that's, bigger, whatever. Right? I know they getting some stuff. I show everything. But the thing about it is, you don't know the real recipe. And that's why you could tell when people are copying or whatever the case may be. Right? And also, what other person in the space is really, really, really doing all the extra, pouring into the people on this type of level? Not just the lives, Wisdom Wednesdays, giving real life game, right? This is unduplicatable over here. You know why? Because God's hands is all over this. This is 10, 11 years in the makings anyway, right? God ain't about to let this fail. Come on now. Let's go, Marcus. I was like my mom, but when you said, bro, can't stop. Hey, Doug. Hey, Doug, you funny. I'm always, I don't be saying that, KP, you know what I'm saying? I'm in too deep with this war. I read Locked In as Lockheed. The Glizzy Gobblers. Hey, don't be a Glizzy Gobbler, y'all. All right? I'm telling you. Man. Yeah, y'all got to stop guzzling them glizzies, man. For real. Right? I'm telling y'all. Right? Exactly, Stu. Exactly. Nobody who can do it like me. Nobody who can teach the Strat like me. Nobody, baby. And we gon' keep going on. What setups are we gon' find? What setups are we gon' find? Who can teach the Strat like me? Nobody, baby. Come on now, let's go. So let's find some setups, y'all. Let's find some setups, man. All right. Let's get it. Let's get it, man. Let's go. Let's go, y'all. All right. So, hey, y'all listen, I'm telling y'all, I told y'all I needed y'all energy. I feed off of y'all energy. You know what I'm saying? Let's go, man. Let's find some setups. All right. Look. VIX, okay? VIX. We got a failed 2 up. All right. So if VIX keeps coming down, then the market gonna go up. So pay attention to the VIX tomorrow, okay? Nvidia, I don't know. I don't like the setup. XYZ, bearish 3 bar. Okay, XYZ. All right. XYZ bearish 3 bar. APLD, they went crazy today. NVO is on a 1 bar. In phase. Rocket Lab. Do you answer questions? Absolutely. We answer questions, Jason. All of that. Netflix coming down. Shop is on a bearish 3 bar, so I'm gonna put Shop on here. They spreads be wide sometimes, but all right. What's up, Geneva? Intel. Ooh, Celsius is on a 1 bar. AMD. AMD playing with y'all, man. Whoever is in like swings on AMD, they keep getting finessed. They keep getting finessed like crazy. Google's trying to come up. But they had 310, y'all. That was a nice swing. That was on the watch list this week, right? Y'all see how it bounced? Right? He said Netflix got 1 nanosecond. Nah, cause look. So my only thing about Netflix right now is we got all of these buyers here. You know what I'm saying? So I don't know. Like we could bounce potentially, right? So when we zoom out, yeah, it is in a downtrend, right? But that's a pretty high, like that's a pretty, good amount right here. And I always honor these fair value gaps on a daily. So I don't think that the first time is going to come down. I think it may come down here and bounce and then come down and bounce and then come down and start breaking through it, right? But yeah, so I don't know. Like Netflix, you kind of gotta with this setup. I'm not gonna take it down immediately. I think that we could see a bounce tomorrow potentially. So yeah, that's why I didn't really spend too much time on it. When I'm looking for setups for day trades for the next day, I'm looking for explosive setups, and I'm not looking for any buyers or sellers in the area because I want to see a clear, direction. So yeah, Google to the downside? I don't think so. Nah. I mean, they still got room. We got to see on the 4 hour. On the 4 hour, they look bearish, but we got to get above 310, 311 to go higher. But they just rejected off this order block right here. So once again, we got to see what happens in pre-market, y'all. We got to see what happens in pre-market. Okay. On the daily. I'm gonna get to hymns, y'all. Just relax. Just relax, okay? We gotta relax. All right? Listen. Listen. Listen, y'all. Look, listen to my voice. Relax. Okay? Relax. All right? This is when we go over these when we go fishing and we find setups, I always go through my list first, and then if it's something else, then y'all throw it out there. But hymns is on my thing, on my list. So like we gonna get over to hymns, right? We gonna get to Tesla, right? I need y'all to trust the process, okay? I need y'all to trust the process, and I need y'all to relax, okay? That's it. Okay? She said no. Right? So, let's go back. So Google, I said Shopify to the downside. Yeah, AMD is definitely automatic money destroyer for sure. All right. Hey, Johnny, you funny. Real talk. You funny. Amazon. Okay. Amazon is on a 3-bar. So I'm seeing some real bearish setups. Amazon. Look at these 3 setups right here are all bearish 3-bars, y'all. We could be going down tomorrow. All right. What up, One Path? Hood, hymns. Okay. All right. So if we look at hymns, previous month's low, we just tested it. So we could come back down here to 22. If we get above 27.60, then we could come up to here, 28, and then up to here, $30. Right? So 28 to $30 would be a price target, but we got to get above 27.57. All right. If we go to the 4-hour, it looked like a little bull flag forming right here. We got buyers sitting here ready to push it up. So I think we could easily come up to $30. So yeah, hymns looks good to the upside. All right. So Lulu's about to come down, y'all. Look at the weekly. Look at this. Look at this shit. Right? Now, Lulu is creating a double bottom. Look at that. Kind of a double bottom. This is kind of not, but it came down and then it bounced up and then it came right back down. So Lulu could be getting ready to make an explosive move up, but we got to see. All right. You said Head and Shoulders. I see what you're saying. So we could come up a little bit. So here's the thing on Google, y'all. Once we get below like 295, Google is going to come down to about 275. All right. Like real talk. So. Okay. LO. Fell 2 down. Dell looks like they want to come up. They've been playing all week though. Yeah, I don't like setup. Nike. Oh wow, look at Nike, y'all. Ooh wee. Ooh wee, look at this. Ooh, Nike is gonna be a banger. Nike could be 54.79, 55, man. Nike is on a bearish 3-bar. It's a bearish engulfing as well. So Nike, that could be a nice one. Okay, futures is down. Lines up with a 3-bar. Yep. Yep. Affirm is on a 1 candle. Okay. And a bullish fair value gap. So Affirm is on a 1 bar. I did not know that, Stu. Yeah, Nike on a downtrend. Let me see them on a weekly. Look at Nike on a weekly. Nike is coming down to 52, but that's not a really big move. $2, but they're definitely on a downtrend for sure. Apple. Apple is on a 1 bar. Pay attention to Apple in a bearish fair value gap. So I like Apple to the downside. Listen, honestly, I could stop right here. I'll be buying Nike still. Listen, let me say this. I like Nike still. Let me ask y'all a question. What's the best type of pair of Nikes? In my opinion, I like SB Dunks, right? I could wear Nike SB Dunks every day. Just different colors. Nike better not go out of style, go out of business anytime soon. Because I'm continuously building up my Nike SB collection. Real talk. Feel me? I like Nike SB Dunks. I think that's one of the best shoes. And it got to be low top. Low top Nike SB Dunks for the win all day. Hey, Nissan. Hey, that's how I feel about Microsoft. Nike Cortezes. Air Max 95s, yep. Man, Air Force One blacks. I see what type of time you on, Johnny. You be on demon time, huh? If you wearing in black Air Forces, I can't trust you no more, dog. Nah, for real, Mark Quinn. Not like they used to be. Well, man, that's my favorite shoes for sure. Oh, yeah. Hey, yeah, 20 pairs? Yeah, on Dunks. Yeah, Dunks is lit. Dunks is lit. Yeah, SB Dunks are like goated, in my opinion, and Air Maxes for sure. All right. What else we got? Apple. So I like Apple puts, y'all. Oracle. Look at Oracle, y'all. We do not have buyers in this area, okay? And then look, on the 30-minute, right? I think tomorrow Oracle can fill this gap, y'all, right? So I'm going to look at Oracle to the downside as well. Oracle. Honestly, I like this setup right here. Oracle. Earnings continuation. I like the Apple off the 1 candle. Okay. I like those two setups a lot. All right. Keisha, you said I'm an Adidas guy. Can't hate on that take though. Air Force Ones, Air Max, Jordan 5s. Them Jordan 5s is a little them joints is a little iffy. They be real stiff. I like, but what what J's I do like though? I like the I really like the 10s. The Jordan 10s, I love those. Those are some very comfortable shoes right there. I like the 10s. And the 11s. You know what I'm saying? Sherry said, I'm a Brooks girl. I can't be mad at that. You got a little bit of class, you know what I'm saying? Got the crazy camos on. I like Nike, but wait a minute. What do you say? But wait a minute. The neighborhood supports. So put some money in Chuck D. Hey, I can't be mad at it. I remember the SB Dunks was 100 back in the day. Yeah. Nah, for real. I got a rule, right? I don't pay more than $100 for shoes. I don't care. I do not care. I do not pay more than $100 for shoes. So that's just me, right? I do not pay $100 more than $100 for shoes. If I'm feeling spicy, then I'll go up to like 135. But I just wait until I see some good deals on some SBs, and then I'll buy them. But I don't be pressed to go buy the newest shoe this and shoe that. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, 5s is uncomfortable. Why Oracle to the downside? Look at price action. We got a gap to fill. We don't have a fair value gap. We don't have buyers in here like that on a daily, right? And look what they did at earnings today. Look what they did. Look at this. They came up and look, right? Look at that. Crazy. So we're going to come down here and fill this gap, yo. For sure. With Lux Algo, do we change anything in the settings or leave as is? Sesley, are you in the Discord? Because there's an indicators tab that tells you what all the settings are that you need for Lux Algo. If you're not in the Discord, I also have a video where I break down all of the settings inside of that. So be sure to watch my order block video because I break down what I use. All right, and what the settings are. Bro, they have 11s, always been eye-catching. Yeah, not for real. Retro 1s. I like them black and brown retro 1s. For sure. Hey, KP, I got my pandas in the closet right now. I got the high tops, though. I got the high top panda dunks. Yeah. The 13s is like real, like they look like some boats a little bit. You know what I'm saying? The 2s and the 13s, they real big. You know what I mean? 13s is cool, though. I like the 17s, too. The 17s is hard. All right? I'm swinging Uber puts right now. That makes sense. Last time I spent more than 100 on shoes was my Steve Maddens for work. That makes sense. Right? You may change your mind when you're older and have... Hey. Hey, Sherry, you just made me laugh. You just made me laugh. Hey, I ain't mad at you, Sherry. It's all about comfort. Man. And that's once a year, Tycoon. Hey, so Tycoon, what that tells me is, you be having holes in your shoes at the bottom, huh? You buying shoes one time a year, huh? You was one of them kids in high school. The shoes in the front, they was like this, huh? Huh, Tycoon? Bunions is blasphemous, right? I got my panda dunks from I forget. I think I got them on StockX. I think I got a lot of my dunks off of StockX. New Balance equal no bunions. I ain't mad at it, gorgeous. All right. Comfort be so exactly. But yo, my shoes be comfortable though. No lie. All right, so that's why that Uber puts they're in this bearish order block. I mean, fair value gap. Right. Palantir look like they about to bounce. Hey. Hey, y'all funny. Them shits was talking. Come on. Come on, dog. Come on, Tycoon. Hey, more than once a year, dog. Come on. You gotta treat yourself, bro. You know what I'm saying? I don't think I ever had duct tape on my shoes. I didn't have some bad times, but I don't think I had duct tape on my shoes. Cause look, I've been hustling since I was 13. When I was 13, I was going door to door selling newspaper subscriptions, right? So I've been always in sales. I've been always, using my gift of gab to make money. So I didn't have no duct tape, right? When my mom said, listen, this is when I knew I had to get money. My mom, I told her I was on the basketball team. I was trying to play basketball. My mom said, okay, I'm gonna get you some basketball shoes, okay? Now everybody on the team, their parents had money or whatever. They had the pro models, the Adidas pro models, right? They had the LeBrons. And so my mom, I remember, she got me the box. She was like, I got you your shoes. Follow me real quick. She said, I opened the box. I was depressed immediately. Opened the box, I was mad. All I see is the logo like this, right? The logo like this. Y'all know what this logo is? What's this logo? Right? Not a check, not the 3 bars. The logo was like this. Okay? My mom got me the Shaqs. My mom got me the Shaqs. Logo on the box was like this. You know how he was hanging on the rim? I was like, mama. And it was white and royal blue. I'm like, our team colors was burgundy, black, and silver. You not gonna have me getting clowned, pulling up to practice in some Shaqs. No. That's when I knew I needed to get money. That's when the light bulb clicked for me. Because I'm not going to have my mom out here embarrassing me. Nope. Or when we went to Payless. Nah, yo. Nope. I can't do it. I can't do it. I cannot do it. I couldn't do it. I cannot do it, y'all. The Starberries. I remember those. Talking about what's wrong with these? What do you mean what's wrong with these? I cannot be a hooper wearing, no, I'm not going to be a guard wearing Shaqs. I need Nikes or I need Adidas. That's it. Got me opening a shoebox like this. Like this. That's the logo. Like this. What I'm supposed to do with this? Come on, man. Nah, yo. Nah. I can't do it. She had me messed up. So no lie. That's when I started going door to door selling newspaper subscriptions. And I would get $10. I would make $10 for every person that signed up in cash. And if you wrote a check, I would make $5. I started making like $300, $400 a week. And ever since then, I was always on my own. I knew I had to get it on my own when my mom got me them Shacks. And then she hit me with the Payless shoes, and I had some cross trekkers. You feel me? You feel me, Ash? Right, she tried to hit me like that. Right? Come on now. And then I was a junior and I started running track, right? She still ain't get it. I tried to give her another chance. I said, "Hey, mama," because I was deep into basketball. I was trying to run track so I could, get in better shape, run faster. I said, "Hey, can you get me some track shoes?" Watch this. My mom came back. It was in a Big 5 sporting goods bag. I already knew I was in trouble, right? I already knew I was in trouble. It wasn't. I was like, okay, let me see what she got. Let me see how she messed this one up, right? I opened the box. These shoes look like I was supposed to be going hiking. All right. I wanted the track shoes with the spikes, right? She got me some mountain climbing shoes. I'm like, bruh, what am I supposed to? So I go to my first track meet with some waffle stomper shoes. All right? Waffle, and I'm over here trying to run a 200. Everybody else got the shoes with the spikes on them. I'm the only one looking stupid with these waffle stompers. I couldn't even run track no more after that. I was embarrassed. I was like, come on now. Come on now. Come on now. Crazy. Crazy. I was like, man, man, this is ridiculous, yo. This is ridiculous. You know what I mean? I was like, I'm never gonna forget this now. Spike your ass up that hill, exactly. Real talk. Real talk. She thought I said trail. I said track. I'm trying to run track. I ain't trying to hike on. I know. You know what I mean? Crazy. Crazy. Exactly, Keisha. You better let him know. You better let him know how lucky he is. Right? Got me some shoes. Look, I thought she was trying to tell me to go outside and cut the tree down with an axe. You know what I'm saying? I was like, man. I was like, come on now. Come on now. Right. I didn't know what a Dior was. I didn't know what a designer was. All I knew was pay less. Nike was luxury to me. Nike was luxury to me. You know what I'm saying? So look, y'all. Listen. For tomorrow, I'm going to focus on IWM. I'm going to focus on Apple, and I'm going to focus on Oracle. Okay? I remember my mom, too. She was like, if you want them shoes, then go buy them. I was like, say less. Hey, I feel you, mama. You doing the best you can. I get it. You know what I'm saying? Nah, facts. Me and my mom, we've been through a lot. You know what I'm saying? That's my girl. But she still got me them shoes, and I ain't gonna forget it. You know what I'm saying? So, and listen, don't let me tell you about the baseball cleats she got me, or the football cleats. I just knew. I just knew I had to buy my own shoes. I remember she took me shopping for school one time. I wanted some Jordans. She got me some Stacey Adams. some Stacey Adams. I'm over here in ninth grade, 8th grade. I don't want to wear no Stacey Adams. You remember it didn't have no laces until it got up to the top. Right? She's like, these look good. I'm like, Mama, I don't want no Stacey Adams. When she got me them Stacey Adams, the writing was on the wall. The writing was on the wall. I said, she don't understand the style. You know what I'm saying? Man, exactly. Old man shoes, right? I'm like, why are you trying to dress me like this old man? This is probably how you want your men to look. She trying to dress me like how she want her dudes to look. I don't want to wear no Stacey Adams. You know what I'm saying? Come on now. Come on. Yeah. Oh my goodness, man. Uh, she funny. Nah, she not Caribbean. She not Caribbean. My parents got me some slip resistant shoes for basketball. The ones that you wear for your first job at McDonald's. Man. Yeah, she got me some cufflinks before too. But it was for church. And listen, don't get me talking about what she bought me for church. She tried dressing me, making me wear a belt all the way up to my belly button. I said, Mama, stop trying to make me look like a goofy. I am not a goofy. Nah, it wasn't a quarter zip. Okay. It was Stacey Adams, right? Some black and brown, the brown gun bottoms with the black leather, right? With some navy blue jean shorts. Y'all know back in the day, jean shorts was a big thing. So jean shorts, right? And then she tried making me wear the ankle socks. I hate ankle socks. I had to wear the crew socks. And then a black shirt, right? Talking about it looked good. No, it don't look good. Right? Nah, it don't look good. You know what I'm saying? That was her stylish dress for you. Exactly, Wayne. So listen. Listen, y'all. Like I said, I'm going to focus on IWM. I'm going to focus on Apple, and I'm going to focus on Oracle tomorrow. All right? Listen. My mother had me going to church looking like the eggplant from the... Hey. Had me looking like a fool. Had me looking like a fool. Straight fool. I can't do it, man. I can't do it. So look, y'all should be ready for the market tomorrow, man. All right? Y'all should be ready for the market. All right? No games, okay? No games. I know. I'm about to hop off now, man. Listen, y'all got me cutting up over here. Y'all got me going down memory lane. If I text her right now, let's go, Michelle. If I text her right now, she gonna be like, I'm gonna be like, you remember you got me them shacks? She gonna be like, yeah, boy, I remember. You know what I'm saying? So listen, tomorrow can driver shoes. Yeah. So listen, y'all. Tomorrow we gonna smack the market. All right. I had LA gears too. I for sure had them a little bit younger in like 7th grade, but I had LA gears. Yep. But listen, like I say, y'all, get up out your head, go get into this world, because your head is a dangerous place to live. All right. And also remember, y'all, the more you study, the less you worry. All right? Listen, y'all have a great night. We're going to smack the market tomorrow. Be sure to join in Discord, y'all. All right? I'm going to have the levels hot and ready for you tomorrow, and we're going to get it in. We're going to make this happen. All right? Y'all have a great night. I'm going to holler at y'all tomorrow, man. All of y'all stay smooth, man. Peace.